Your Salesforce integration is installed and customized. Now it's time to install the Lucidchart button in Salesforce. This button setup will allow your users to access Lucidchart directly from your Salesforce instance. Additionally, any Lucidchart documents created via the Lucidchart button will be shared automatically with everyone in the Salesforce user group. In the Salesforce instance that you integrated with Lucidchart, navigate to the App Exchange and search for Lucidchart for Sales and install the app. Now, navigate to the page layout settings and edit the page layouts that should include the Lucidchart button. Note that you can add the Lucidchart button to the account page or the opportunity page, or both. In Salesforce Classic, you'll select Buttons on the top left side of the account or opportunity layout box and drag the Lucidchart folder button to the Custom Buttons area of the account or opportunity details section. In Salesforce Lightning, you'll select Mobile and Lightning Actions from the Account or Opportunity Layout gray box, and drag the Lucidchart folder button to the Salesforce Mobile and Lightning Experience section. Awesome work! It's time to test out the integration. Navigate to any account or opportunity within your Salesforce instance based on your setup previously, and click on the Lucidchart folder button found on the page. This will launch the integration and drop you into a Lucidchart folder for your account. From here, you can create a new blank document, and the customized fields you set up previously in the integration settings page will be imported into this document. Users will be able to drag and drop Salesforce contacts and any other imported objects and fields onto the Lucidchart document to visualize information pertinent to the deal they're working on.